get free Sirius radio, I believe, through tomorrow. It's been on since November 22nd. Better turn that down or they get me for copyright. They've already got me on one. But anyway, yeah, if you, I had it for a while. I loved it, but I only listened to one station, so I wasn't really having it. So I just cut it off. Let me tell you something. You're talking about a company that's hard to deal with that will not take no for an answer. You just have to come out and be blunt and say, listen, I want this turned off. I don't want to be billed for it anymore, and just hang up on them. You know, they're them kind of people. Hard to deal with. But anyway, it's free through tomorrow, but it's been on since I think November 22nd. Should have made a video earlier, but if you have XM radio on your vehicle, it's on right now. So, y'all have a good day and have a Merry Christmas coming up. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. And y'all take care. I'm going to quit this if I can figure out how. I don't know. Is that it? There it is. Y'all driving and ain't supposed to be. Come on, touch screen work. There it is.